What's up guys, it's Nisa. Welcome to Nisa's Awesome World. Today I'm going to be showing you my Pop It Fidget toy collection. So first I have this squishy ball. Next I have these two stress balls. The rainbow and the silly face one. Next I got this ball that you put your finger in and you just do this. Next we got this big rainbow spring. Next we got this straw. You do this. And you could do this. And you could even just blow air from it. It has cool air, and this is for your fingers. You just do something like this. Next you have this fishing line. You just hold it like this and you just even spin it like this. Next is my kinetic sand. This is so fun. This is so fun to play with. Kids would like these toys. Because the kinetic sand is really nice to play with, and it even doesn't get the house messy. And next is my Play-Doh. I really like this Play-Doh because it's soft and it's very soft and fun to play. Next is these colorful balls. I could even set up in rainbow water for you guys. And almost there and there. Okay, next toy is I'm going to show you my squishy. This one. Look. Squish it, rises up. Squish it, rises up. In the back part is paper mold. Paper mold. Okay, now I got this huge exercise thing. It's a string. You pull it. I got the medium size and the small size. Next I got is another string. You just put your one finger through here, the second one through here, and just do like this. And the middle part just rotates around. Next I got this leapfrog. Just usually leap like that. Okay. Next I got this bead thing. You could just move your beads around and play with it, and you could just do anything you want to do with this. These are the little squishies. And these are the special ones. These even glows in the dark and sticks on the wall. Look. And I'll try it back. Whoa, it's way high. Let me show you. Okay, let's get this off. And next we have this top, this is the top. You know the spinning thing? It's called a top. Okay, next. I have collected these rings for many days. These fidget rings. And I even have these gold ones. So I have these colors. Next I got is this marble. This one is also fun to play. Next we got is this red thing even moves around, and even the blue thing. Next I got is this golden thing, the silver, and the pink thing. These even moves around, and you could just hang it on your pocket like this, or somewhere wherever you want to hang it. Next I have this fidget spinner. is also fun to play. And this is like the gaming thing. Like you have to get the little ball in here. I have one car, a Mickey Mouse, snowman, and a butterfly. Let's shake it all together and hear the sound. Wow, sounds are cool. Next we have this thing. And I don't know like why it has a light bulb over here, but let's find out. And it even comes with a fake key, and you could even wear it in your hand like the bracelet thing. And you could even separate it. Like, see this part? Just do this and it comes up. So you could even wear it. Let's press this. Ooh, it's a light, so it lights up. Okay. Next you got is this car key thing. So you just press this. So this is also fun. Now I got this Pop It. It even has the back. We have another Pop It. And even has the back too. So it has like the double sides. Now let me show you all of my Pop Its, like my fidget toys. Let me think all of the camera. Like I got a lot of fidget toys. Because I like to collect all the fidget toys I love to collect them. I like to collect whatever a new toy comes. Like these fidget toys are new, so I like to collect these. So now I'll keep collecting more fidget toys. Okay guys, so this is what I have got. Those are all my fidget toys. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.